Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Car Review. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic American classics, the 1957 Pontiac Chieftain. This car was a statement of power, elegance, and innovation, embodying the golden era of American automobiles. Let's start with the design. The 57 Chieftain had a bold and aggressive front end, featuring a wide chrome grille, dual headlights, and the signature Pontiac hood ornament. That striking, silver streak, trim running down the hood added a level of sophistication that made this car instantly recognizable. Its sleek, aerodynamic body lines and two-tone paint options were ahead of their time, making the Chieftain a true head-turner on the road. Under the hood, Pontiac offered several powertrain options, with the most notable being the 347 cubic inch V8 engine. Producing up to 290 horsepower, this engine was built for performance, making the Chieftain a powerhouse of the 1950s. Paired with either a Hydra-Matic automatic or a manual transmission, it provided a smooth yet exhilarating driving experience. Step inside, and you're greeted with a luxurious yet functional interior. The dashboard was beautifully crafted, featuring a symmetrical design with chrome accents and a stylish instrument panel. The large, thin-rimmed steering wheel gave drivers a sense of control, while the plush bench seats offered supreme comfort. This was a car built not just for style, but for cruising in absolute comfort. Pontiac also prioritized technology and convenience. The Chieftain featured options like power steering, power brakes, and even a push-button radio, advanced features for its time. Every detail was designed to enhance the driving experience, making it one of the most well-rounded cars of the 1950s. On the road, the Chieftain delivered a smooth and controlled ride. Thanks to its well-engineered suspension and powerful V8, it handled exceptionally well for a car of its size. Whether cruising down the highway or rolling through town, it demanded attention and respect. The 1957 Pontiac Chieftain wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of American automotive excellence. It embodied the spirit of an era when cars were more than just transportation, they were works of art, built with passion and craftsmanship. Today, it remains a prized collector's item, a testament to Pontiac's legacy of style and performance. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this look at the 57 Chieftain, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more classic car content. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite Pontiac of all time? Thanks for watching USA Car Review, and we'll see you in the next video.